Hi guys, here we've got a GenExxa 312030 equalizer I'm having a look at today. It's the unit here. Let's give you a little close up. Just show you the back here, all the phono connections, and there's a model number there, highlighted it, model number 312030. Just check the power supply before plug it in, make sure there's no damage to the cord. Check it all the way to the unit if you've seen my other videos. Okay, so I've plugged it in, and as you can see we've got nothing on display, no power at all. So I'm going to get my voltage tester on it. That's the unit there. See if there's any power before I open it up. I've got it plugged in and switched on, and as you can see it's beeping, so there's power going to the unit. Just plug it out, and I'm going to take the cover off and have a look inside. Just 4 screws on the side, 3 on the back. Let's get my Phillips and undo that. Speed this section up a bit. And there you see I got the cover off now. Let's give a look inside. Can't see any burns or damaged capacitors. That's the power supply. I think that might be the problem. The main power supply there, which I highlighted, as the circuit board looks good. That's the model there. Just get a close up, flip it around. That's the model of the transformer. So I'll just plug it in again, switch the unit on, and test it again for beeps, but I'll put the tester inside the unit this time. It seems like we've got power inside here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the power supply from the base and test that, see if there's any voltage coming out of it. Just got to disconnect it from the circuit board. So unplug these leads here. And here you can see me just testing the unit for power. I've got it switched on and plugged in, but I cannot get any voltage on these connectors here. So it seems as though there's nothing coming out of this power supply. Absolutely no voltage coming out of this at all. Let's plug that back out. As you can see here, I'm just having a look on the internet, see if we can find the correct type. And that's as far as it goes. So I'm just trying to source a power supply, and that will be back in part 2. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.